Hello, and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going into Ikea. I'm going to be taking a look at some storage options that they have available. So as you can see, Ikea is full of great ideas for making your home more functional things, and it has so many options for you to be able to determine how to make your house look aesthetically pleasing using all kind of storage options here. So if you've ever been in Ikea, it's a huge store. They have lots of layouts for how to decorate your home and how to use the items that they have here. Just showing you how to make use of their storage options and decorative pieces. A lot of the things they have in the store need to be assembled, so if you're not one of those type of people that like to assemble things, then it's probably not the store for you. Me personally, I purchased things from this store that are easy to assemble or requires no assembly. Like these containers here, I can use them in my office, in my bathrooms, and I don't have to assemble anything, so it's great. And with the cabinets and things like that, they may need to be assembled, but it can't be that hard. I mean, their directions are sometimes in another language and you won't understand it, but just looking at the picture mostly, I can kind of figure out how things go. So yeah, you can use a lot of these storage items for your closets, your bathrooms, if you have a dresser, drawers, little small spaces in a home where you can just kind of utilize the storage better, so this way it looks like it belongs there. And it can hide clutter. And you can use this little rolling tray here for your dining room. I mean, I can go on and on. So thanks for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of this video with me. And let's just take a look at some storage options that they have there. I've used a few of these things in my home and I really enjoy them. And anytime I'm looking for something new and inventive, I just go to Ikea because they have so many options that there's no way you coming out of there not inspired and feeling that you could figure out a space in your home, your pantries, or how to store your pots and things like that. So it's all available to you. So of course I am a professional organizer and I love to do this kind of stuff. And this is something I do just to get some fresh ideas on how to organize closets and kitchens and pantries and things like that. And in my own home, I use a lot of these items to kind of make things more functional for me. So I'll store all of my like items together. I like to group things together that belong together. If I have shoes and boots and things like that, I put them all in like shoe boxes and stuff like that. So I know all of my shoes are in the shoe boxes. I may separate it from summer to fall and things like that. And they have a lot of storage too for children if you have kids, so that you can help the kids also stay organized. A lot of the things come in all kind of colors, so it doesn't matter what kind of colors you have in your home, you can find something that will go with your decor. Clear bins are always great because they don't require any kind of specific color coordination to go into the space. I love the clothing racks and things like that for small closets or spaces where you want to have something folded but in the closet hanging space. And they're not expensive at all. These are drawer organizers and things like that. If you want to change the knobs in the house, these are like little magnets, just cute little stuff. And if you have no closet space at all, then you can use a hanging rack like this. And that's great for closets, clothing storage also. Yeah, so here we go. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a blessed day. Stay inspired, encouraged, dream big, live your best life. Thank you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.